Part 1, Question 1. Hello, my name is Deshatat Pujanchai, or you can call me Pusan. And my student ID number 09239. Part 1, Question 2. I usually not buy my clothes because my mother buy many clothes for me from Shopee. Or when my mother go to Japan or Chiang Mai, she she always buy my clothes. But I love my black coat, from Uniqlo. Part 1, Question 2. I think doctor is best job in the world or a businessman because doctor is a famous job. Doctor help people from their insurance or ill, and the businessman is can make money and you can become a billionaire, or you can become a billionaire or millionaire. You can help many people in the world. And part 1, Question 4. I think to learn to speak English is often like I have friend in English in my Discord, but I usually talk to him. I think when I talk to him, it improves my speaking very much. Like my accent, grammar, my speech, he can help him, and he can help me very full. Part 2, Question 1. I think the question is, I think the picture is running race. Is it true? I think the yellow shirt is LeBron James, but I don't know. I think it's LeBron James. I don't know LeBron James. It's Usain Bolt. He is very famous in the racing run race. Part 2, Question 2. I think runner is one of the most popular sports like badminton, football, or volleyball because running is easy to understand what you want. You need to know about go to place A to place B very fast. One of the most faster on the ground. I think it's a funny sport. Part 2, Question 3. What I've learned about this picture, I think there's one man carry the last man shirt, carry the yellow shirt. It's in a merciful in the spot. And I used to listening LeBron James course live practice for 10 years and doing it in 1 minute. LeBron James, Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt practice running for 10 years and run the fastest in the world while under 1 minute. And part 3, Question 1. I will talk about the similar part of true photo. I think you know this true photo. I think from Thailand, the left picture is a Songkran festival and the right picture is a Loi Krathong. I think similar is have a goddess in the event like Songkran have a Buddha and Loi Krathong have a Kongka goddess. But the two similar is paving with water. The two picture is similar because they use water in the main of this event. Songkran is use water in the other, but the Loi Krathong is you need one each of banana tree to pair in water and pay to mother. And Question 3, Part 2. I think different is feeling because Songkran feeling is very exciting, funny because you spell water into another. But in Loi Krathong is peaceful, you only like a picture of the banana. Thank you for my speech. Thank you. See you.